Hey biscuits, welcome back to the Rose Kelly channel. So if you're new here, hi, I'm Rose Kelly. Who would have guessed it? Not me. This is my homemaking channel. I also have a motherhood and lifestyle and vlogging channel on my main channel. I do burlesque artistry and I also write romance novels, so you can always pop over to Amazon and get one of my R.M. Kelly pen name novels. I link them down in the description box. They're quite a spicy read. But I thought today I would do some of the homemaker haul goodies that I have been loving lately for my yard, because it's springtime. It's time to like get the lawn in order and get seeds planted, get rid of weeds, because the weeds are like just popping up to drive me insane, and just kind of get the outside sparkling, because oh my goodness, after winter in the Pacific Northwest, my yard needs so much work. Every year, I walk out sometime in March or April and I go, whoa, winter was long. Winter came, winter was here. We're ready to shoo, winter, shoo. I always start it too early too, because I get so excited. I'm like, oh, I'm ready for winter to be done. And then, you know, it hails or snows on us and I go, glad I planted those pansies. Yep. Okay, I thought I would talk about the first one. I wrote them down so I didn't forget, biscuits. I got aerators. Yes, lawn aerators. They attach onto the bottom of your shoes and they are one of the most fun things I've ever bought for my yard. I don't know, how did I go through life all these years without attachable aerators for my shoes? It takes forever to do your lawn, by the way, with these. I can see why people spend the money to buy a lawn aerator machine, but they're awesome sauce. I've been like slowly doing little corners of my yard with them, and I can't report back yet if I think they really help the health of my lawn. My lawn was in terrible condition this year. When I came out to like look at it and assess my yard to figure out what to do, I've just never seen my lawn in this bad of condition. So I've really been tending to it and trying to take care of it. The aerator shoes are awesome. You can use them for your lawn. You can use them to just dig nice even holes for wildflowers, which is something I did. They're awesome. Yes, and they're so much fun, and they're like 20 bucks. I mean, where else can you get that much fun for 20 bucks? Maybe on my Patreon on the $20 tier, but even then, only if I include videos of the aerator being used on the lawn, because they're that much fun. Not sponsored, by the way. I just want to point that out. I just found these and I was like, I'm gonna try them. Okay, I also got this weed tool. Yes. So I saw a similar tool in a gardening video, because that's right, biscuits, I watch gardening videos to relax. It's what it's come to. I find gardening and farm videos and reality shows so calming. The British farming reality shows that are on Amazon are gloriously calming. Oh, look, there's some sheep. Oh, it's going poorly. We're gonna laugh at the farmers that didn't know what they were doing. It's so peaceful. I love it. But this weeding tool is a great little handy thing, not for like compacted hard soil, but for a flower bed or somewhere with softer soil. Works great, super easy peasy. I use it when I garden with the family, so like I'm trying to be speedy and fast with it. It's one of the tools. I feel like I'm gonna buy some and give them out to my siblings for their birthdays this year, because they love gardening too, and we're like, this is your weird birthday present, but that's how useful these are. Okay, I finally got this fabulous, I'm gonna call it the seed spreader. It spreads all the seeds you could want. I've used it both for my lawn, because I'm slowly transitioning my lawn into, boy, this is a lot about my lawn. I apologize, biscuits, if you don't like grass, or you think lawns suck, or you just don't care about lawns, but I spent a lot of time on my lawn this year. I'm slowly transitioning it to more clover, so that it's easier to mow, better for bees, and just takes up less water and looks nicer during the summertime. So I've used it to spread out seed, and I've also used it, I love this, I make it a little tiny wildflower meadow, in quotation marks because it's small, in my backyard, where I did 2 different mixes of wildflower seeds, and I spread them out with this thing after doing the aerator. Yeah, and I'm gonna see how well that comes up, because last year I sprinkled it by hand and you don't get nearly the nice smooth range you can if you use this. So I highly recommend them, even if you don't do lawns. Just for sprinkling seeds for flowers is totally amazing, and I'm kind of surprised that it works so well. I'm like, how did nobody ever mention these awesome simple yard tools that makes such a huge difference. How has that never... I feel like more people need to make videos about these things, because like I want to know what are the goodies that will make my yard sing to me in a fabulous homemaker style. Yes. I feel like this is the year of the yard. That's my feeling, is there's gonna be a lot of gardening and yard stuff, and I'm gonna try out all the fun little random gadgets. Did I buy a leaf blower that is electric? Yes, that's what I was looking for, but it needs to plug into an outlet. I did. I bought it with screeching children in tow. Opened up the box, stomped on the box, put it into recycling, and then looked at the leaf blower and went, you are the brand I was looking for, because I already had a battery for it, but you are not the type that I wanted. So Biscuits, tell me, can you return something to a big box store if you've gotten rid of the box? Probably not. Probably not. So I'm stuck with it. So I feel like we just need to make some leaf blower videos. I'm going to bring you along, Biscuits, and I'm going to do like an outside tidy up thing, which I don't know if I've ever brought you along for one of those. Maybe I did like an outdoor window one spring. But I'm going to do all the windows. I'm going to do leaf blower. I'm just going to do like a big tidy up outside. I'm going to bring you along one of the videos because I want us to all get inspired to, like, no matter what our yard size is, whether it's humongous or just a little tiny patio, we can always make it just like a beautiful spot to call home during warmer weather, which I think is lovely. It makes me smile. Okay, Biscuits, I will see you over on Patreon, on my main channel, and over here in the next video. Love y'all.